What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video, and today we have an unboxing, man. We finally got it in. As y'all know, a couple of weeks ago I took an L on the shoe. I picked up the wrong size because that's all I could really get. They left me no other option but, get a pair of shoes and flipping it to get in my pair. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I cop straight from StockX, man. Shout out to StockX and shouts out to the seller, man. I feel like I got these for a good price, maybe like $50, $60 over retail. I don't remember honestly, but all I know is I flipped the other pair, got that money from StockX, and I went ahead and bought my pair from StockX, man. So smooth transaction. Glad I finally have them in the collection. Before we get too deep into this video, man, right now what I need you to do is subscribe, man. 300 subscribers away from that 20K. Help your boy out, man. I know it's an easy subscribe, share the video, like the video, comment under the video, let me know what you're going after. Let me know if you hit on certain sneakers as far as the Air Force One Travis Scott's, as well as the early shock drop on the Air Jordan 11 Breads, man. Let me know something in the comment section below, because y'all know I respond to all comments, so just drop something down below. And also, man, make sure y'all pull up to the live streams, man. Yesterday we had a good little quick live stream, me playing Call of Duty, man. Had about a good 15 people in there, rocking with your boy. They dropped some donations down there. I really appreciate that. Appreciate all the love and support, man. It really means a lot to me for somebody to donate to the channel, because all I'm gonna do with that donation, man, is put it into my content. So I really appreciate it. And make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintageWorld, man. Link will always be in the description box below. And yeah, with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, here we have it. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You already know, man, StockX even this little standard brown box, but it's good because they don't have, StockX written all over the box. Unlike Nike, Nike has the whole swooshes, they have the whole Nike, everything branded Nike on their box, which is crazy. But yeah, man, we finally have it, man. You can see right here. You should already know what these is. You should know what these is. You see the red box. Actually, it's about 3 pairs of ones that came in this red box so far, but yeah, we're gonna pull these things out real quick and I'm gonna show y'all boys what I had copped, man. Nice pickup. Oh look, the lid already came off. There you have it. You already know you got the Nike up top, man, all red. Got some bubble paper in there, nothing crazy. Yeah, let's get into it. Hold on, got the StockX sticker. I have so many of those, doesn't make any sense. Got the little receipt, got it for a good price. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, it's been like 2-3 different Air Jordan 1s that were released in this box, and y'all should probably already know what these is. I took an L on them. I was kind of upset. I really wanted this shoe, and now we finally have it, man. So here you go. You already know it says limits like fears are often just an illusion. Peel it open, and yeah, so we have it, man. Air Jordan 1 fearless things, man, or the UNC to Chicago's. Here you have it, man. Finally have them in the collection. Your boy got them in a size 9.5, with the patent leather ones like I did with my gold toes. I went up half a size so I don't have to deal with that creasing on the toe box, because right here it's like they say it's patent leather, but it's really like plastic to me. Like it's gonna crease very easily, unlike the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s, which they are like already like creased and you can't tell if you crease them or not. I wish they would do something similar to this toe box, or just give us like a regular leather toe box, man. So we're gonna see how these hold up when I'm rocking them. I'll probably won't rate these for a little minute, but definitely gotta throw some photos up. I have a package coming in from Sworn to Us, man. Shouts out to Sworn to Us. I cannot wait to get the package in. They sent your boy over some nice items, and I cannot wait to do the lookbook. I haven't did one in like over 3 months, so I'm gonna drop another one, man. I have already started getting outfits ready just so I can show you guys, what I'm saying, how to style your sneakers, how to style your jeans, and all that good stuff, man. But here you have it, Air Jordan 1 Fearless. I wanted to do it on feet when I got this shoe in hand the same day, but y'all know I only dropped a review over this Air Jordan 1 Fearless. So today I'm gonna be giving you guys an on feet with these Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. These are definitely gonna go in my top 10 sneaker pickups, just because I took an L on the initial, LA to Chicago joints. I took an L on the NYC to Paris joints. I took an L on all like the different, city to city pack. But now I have these, which is, they call it the Fearless, but you got a UNC in the back, you have a Chicago in the front, and it's just a dope sneaker, man. And it's all over patent leather. So you already know your boy gotta sauce these things up, man. These did come with black laces initially, but I think the other shoe had some laces attached to it. If I'm not, yep, there we go. Here you have it right here, man. It came with red laces, it came with the UNC laces, and it came with the white laces, man. For me, I honestly think I'm gonna rock with the white, but If you want to do something real crazy, man, I seen somebody had the red laces at the bottom and they had the blue laces on top, and then vice versa. And then some people had like the red laces on this shoe, then the UNC blue laces on this one. I think that's all dope, man. You can do different stuff to how you want to do it, man. Give your shoe some different character, give it some new sauce to it. And I don't know how I'm gonna do mine yet, but you guys will definitely see. And on feet, maybe I keep it basic for you guys, or maybe, you know what I'm saying, I go a little crazy with it, you feel me? You already know how your boy the Vintage do. So yeah, let me know right now in the comment section below if you went after these. Let me know if you take an L. I know a lot of people taking L's on this one. I think these are more available than the Shattered Backboard 3.0s. The resale prices is not that crazy. Like I said, I got these for like $255, I think I did, plus the shipping and stuff like that. You know how StockX, we charge you, knock you over the head for the shipping. But I got these for a good, decent price. Let me know if you copped. Let me know something in the comment section below, man. And do you think these are the Air Jordan 1s of the year? For me, I don't think so, but they are up there. This is one of the dopest, you know what I'm saying, sneaker releases or Jordan releases of 2019. Like I said, I'm glad I added them to the collection, man. All right, guys, that is it for this unboxing. Before we go, I just want to let you guys know, hopefully I will have the Air Jordan 11 breads in early this upcoming week, so I can, you know what I'm saying, drop that review and on feet for you guys. I know it's about to be a whole bunch of these reviews over the Air Jordan 11 breads, man, so you know your boy the Vintage, you know what I'm saying. We got to get in that thing. We got to drop that video for the Vintage gang. You already know how we do. And I was thinking about dropping an updated how to lace Air Jordan 11 video. I know everybody was going crazy over that video 2 years ago, and I think it's only right for your boy, you know what I'm saying, switch it up, give y'all some new lace looks, and see how y'all really digging it. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video, man. Make sure you like, comment something down below. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, man. Hit that notification bell for your boy, because you already know I'm going up live tonight playing that Call of Duty again. I appreciate everybody that's been tuning in. It means a lot to me, adding something different to the channel. I feel like that's always good, man, to do something new here and there, engage a different type of audience, and just hopefully people that's been rocking with me for a long time, hopefully they tune into the live streams as well. I appreciate all of the support, man. And with all this being said, the unboxing, me ranting, me talking to you guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.